Hi everyone, I recently won a giveaway and this is from Budget Paparazzi. I will leave her channel down below so you guys can go check it out. Thank you so much. So let's take a look at what I got. Everything was packaged so nicely, so let's open it up. So here is a little card, a thank you card, and some cute little stickers. I will definitely be sharing these with my kids. This is super cute and it comes with a little deck of cards. And this is a savings challenge. And even though Easter passed already, I still would love to try it. So it comes with a little pouch to stick the deck of cards in, which is going to come in handy. Here's what the deck of cards looks like. It has 3 different designs and little scratchers to scratch it off. I don't know how much the savings challenge is. I cannot wait to try this even though Easter passed. I've never done a savings challenge like this with like a little card. So this will be exciting. I will definitely be recording it. Thank you so much to Budget Paparazzi. I'll leave her channel down below. Thank you so much to everyone who watched. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.